Welcome to our channel. Today, we discuss something that might make you look at your own veins a little differently: why your blood could be worth $10,000 to tech companies. That's right, your blood, something you probably think of as just a vital fluid, is fast becoming one of the most valuable resources on the planet. But why? And how is it that tech companies, not hospitals, are willing to pay huge sums for something so personal? To understand this, we need to dive into the incredible science hidden in our bloodstream, the tech revolution it's fueling, and the ethical questions it raises. Blood is more than just red liquid flowing through your body. It's a living record of who you are. Biologically speaking, every drop contains DNA, proteins, cells, antibodies, and chemical signals that reveal your health, genetics, lifestyle, and even tendencies toward certain diseases. Think of it as a high-resolution snapshot of your body in real time. For tech companies working on cutting-edge health diagnostics, personalized medicine, or even AI-driven predictive analytics, this data is invaluable. They're not just buying blood, they're buying insights, patterns, and the potential to develop life-changing products. One of the most lucrative applications is in genomic research. Your blood contains your DNA, which can be sequenced and analyzed. By studying thousands or even millions of DNA samples, tech companies can identify genetic markers linked to diseases, drug responses, and aging processes. This information allows them to create highly personalized treatments, predictive health apps, and even biotech interventions that could extend human life. Imagine a future where a company can predict your likelihood of developing Alzheimer's or heart disease decades before symptoms appear, all from analyzing your blood. The commercial potential is enormous, and that's why your blood has a price tag. But DNA isn't the only valuable component. Blood also carries proteins and other biomarkers that reveal the current state of your health. Companies are developing blood-based diagnostics that can detect diseases far earlier than traditional methods. Early detection is crucial for conditions like cancer, autoimmune disorders, and chronic diseases. By pooling data from thousands of individuals, these companies can train artificial intelligence models to recognize subtle patterns that even the best human doctors might miss. In essence, your blood helps create smarter, faster, and more accurate health technologies. Another emerging area is regenerative medicine and anti-aging research. Some studies suggest that certain factors in young blood can influence aging, tissue regeneration, and cognitive function. While the science is still developing, tech companies and biotech startups are racing to identify these factors and develop therapies that could dramatically slow aging or even repair damage in the body. For them, a diverse supply of blood samples is a goldmine. They need samples from different ages, lifestyles, and genetic backgrounds to fully understand these mechanisms. It's also important to note the role of data monetization. Blood samples aren't just biological material, they're data-rich resources. Once your blood is analyzed, the results are often anonymized. Combined with thousands of other datasets, and used to improve algorithms, predictive models, and AI systems. Tech companies are essentially mining your biology for insights that can be sold, licensed, or used to develop products with massive commercial value. That's why a single sample could be valued at thousands of dollars. It's the equivalent of contributing to a massive, global research project with the potential for life-changing discoveries. Of course, the idea of selling or donating your blood to tech companies raises ethical questions. Who owns the data derived from your blood? Are you entitled to a share of the profits if your biological information leads to a blockbuster drug or therapy? In many cases, companies obtain broad consent, allowing them to use and commercialize the data without sharing financial returns with donors. This has sparked debates about biological privacy, consent, and fairness in the rapidly growing field of biotech and health data. Your blood also has potential uses in neurotechnology and brain-computer interfaces. Proteins and biomarkers in blood can reveal insights about brain health, cognitive function, and even mental resilience. Companies developing neural implants, AI-enhanced cognitive therapies, or memory-related tech are interested in these biomarkers because they can guide product development and personalized interventions. In the future, donating blood could indirectly contribute to technologies that enhance human cognition or treat neurological conditions. Another reason your blood is valuable is its role in drug testing and personalized medicine. Pharmaceutical companies can test how different blood types, genetic markers, and immune profiles respond to experimental drugs. This accelerates drug development, reduces side effects, and allows for therapies tailored to specific populations. Essentially, your blood helps make medicine more precise, and the faster and more accurately companies can develop treatments, the more profitable these innovations become. There's also an international dimension. Blood samples from diverse populations are especially valuable because genetic variation matters for understanding health risks and developing global therapies. Tech companies, particularly those in Silicon Valley and biotech hubs, are investing heavily to acquire broad, diverse datasets. They're not just after average profiles, they want the full spectrum of human biology. That's why your unique biological signature could command such a high price. It's fascinating and slightly unsettling to realize that your everyday biology has become a commodity. While donating blood has traditionally been associated with altruism and public health, the emerging landscape involves tech companies, private research, and commercial interests. This shift highlights the convergence of biology, data, and technology in unprecedented ways. What was once just part of your body is now a key resource in the race to unlock longevity, AI-driven health insights, and personalized medicine. So, what does this mean for you? First, it's an opportunity to participate in cutting-edge science. Donating or selling your blood to research programs or tech companies could accelerate discoveries that change medicine forever. But it also requires awareness. Understand the terms, know how your data will be used, and consider the ethical implications. Transparency, informed consent, and personal choice are critical when dealing with biological information in a commercial context. The future is likely to bring even more innovation. As AI becomes more sophisticated, the ability to extract insights from biological samples will improve dramatically. Your blood could help build predictive health models that prevent disease before it starts, create therapies tailored to your exact genetic makeup, and even contribute to anti-aging solutions. The value of your blood is not just in its physical composition, it's in the data, insights, and potential it represents. In conclusion, your blood is much more than a bodily fluid. It's a reservoir of information, a key to understanding health and disease, and a highly sought-after resource for tech companies and researchers. From DNA sequencing to AI-driven diagnostics, regenerative medicine, and personalized therapies, every drop holds immense potential. While the idea of your biology having a monetary value may feel strange, it's a reflection of how science and technology are reshaping the meaning of human resources in the 21st century. If you found this video eye-opening, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more insights into the cutting edge of science and technology, and comment below with your thoughts. Would you donate your blood to tech research if it could help advance medicine or even earn thousands of dollars? Let's get the discussion started. The future is coming fast, and your blood might just be part of it.